Hey guys, here we are back with another episode of Afternoon Boost. We got, as always, Dustin Hembury
What's
as
up,
the
guys?
co-host, and today we have Trevin Willis on from
How's
Willis
it going?
Diesel.
What's up, buddy? Long time no see.
Yeah, how are you guys doing?
Not too bad.
Good.
Pretty good.
So what do you got going on down there, Trevin? What do you got? What do you got?
Geez.
We need a little boost. These guys need a little boost. You're always
Need
working
some
on something
boost,
crazy.
huh? I think we all need some boost. We've got a bunch going on today. This week's been a week. Out in the shop, we've got 2023 L5P that just. Let me show you the filter on this thing real quick on the fuel filter. Don't put DEF in your fuel tank.
Oh, that thing's junk.
It's
Horrible.
garbage.
Yeah,
Fuel system. So
that's gonna need a fuel system.
we've actually just ordered the disaster kit for that one from Industrial Injection, and then this one on this 18 Powerstroke, we've got Mac. He's just working on getting the disaster kit put in it. It lost a CP4 pump, so
well, that's
between fuel system failures and engine failures, we're busy. We're real busy.
We like those. You like those. They keep you in business, huh?
They do, yep. They small
That's
shout out
awesome.
to Ford Motor Company, keeping the small shops in business,
heck yeah. Heck yeah.
Now your shop is in Orem right there, right? You're a dealer for us.
Close to Orem, so we're in Linden.
Okay.
Yeah.
How many?
All right.
How many do you see on a month to month? 3, 4 of them, 5, 10?
As far as disaster kits,
Well, just like
CP4
problems.
failures.
Yeah. And not even failures, just like something going wrong with it, or even DEF issues. That's got to be. I hear it all the time. People putting DEF in the fuel, and
this is probably in the past 2 months. This has probably been our third DEF contamination. And then as far as the Fords unfortunately we've had to do quite a few of the disaster kits. So
that's crazy.
Yep.
What, you don't see as many Duramaxes?
We do. We just see the Duramaxes mostly for I don't know. In this area, we're kind of becoming like the Ford shop. We didn't sign up for it, but we'll take it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We get a lot of Fords. But we have every once in a while some Duramaxes rolling in that need the fuel systems and stuff like that.
Aren't you a Chevy guy or are you a Ford guy?
I'm a Dodge guy, Cummins guy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
They almost screwed up, right? They almost screwed up with that. They ran it for a year and a half or something, huh?
At least they realized.
Yeah.
They came to their senses pretty quick on that one. So
yeah, we came out with that conversion kit, and then I think Mopar decided to do a conversion kit as well, and that's kind of been the thing on that. Everybody goes back to the CP3, or at least Mopar went back to the CP3 on it. So
yeah,
luckily there's only a few years of that issue out there.
Yeah,
a year and a half.
At least for the Cummins guys, anyways.
Yeah.
So this is a new shop that you just moved into recently, isn't it?
Yeah. We're busier than we've ever been, and on top of moving into a new shop, and it's been the past couple months have been pretty crazy for us. A lot of new customers coming in. It's been good. It's definitely been a good change.
Well, that's awesome.
Sure. Yep.
Well, heck yeah, that's pretty neat. It looks like you're definitely busy, and glad we could have you on here to kind of show us a little bit about what you're doing, and stay busy. And we appreciate you using our product, and hopefully it's working out well for you.
Oh, it's Industrial's always had our backs as far as the good quality parts, and if the rare chances ever happen and we need a warranty, they're right on it. So that's why we use you guys. Awesome. Take care of us really good. So
well, we appreciate it. And thanks for coming on here and giving us a little inspiration to stay away from Fords and Chevys and stick with our Dodges that we have.
No, everyone go out and buy a Ford and bring it here. That's what I tell everyone. So
hey, I need one of those hats that you got on there. I need a Willis Diesel.
We'll get you some swag for sure.
Heck yeah.
So
where can everyone follow you there?
We're on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, pretty much all the social media platforms. You can see what we're doing, and we try to keep up on our daily updates, give you a little feel for what we're doing in the shop each day.
Yeah,
so
I like that. I've been watching. It's been pretty cool.
Yeah, keep you posted. So it's cool that
I love
as bad as
I
this
love
is
the
for the
funny
customers.
videos.
What's that?
I love your funny video. You got a good sense of humor.
We try. We try. We look dumb doing it, but we're trying. So
No, keep it up. Keep it up, man. That's awesome.
cool. Well, I appreciate you letting me be on here, you guys.
Yeah,
Absolutely,
thanks, Trevin.
man. We'll catch back up with you again another time.
All right, sounds good.
All right, buddy. We'll see
See
you.
ya.
All right. Thanks, Trevin. See ya.